You've probably looked at a map of Switzerland and wondered why the government isn't based in its biggest, most famous city. But the truth is even stranger. Switzerland doesn't technically have a capital city at all. Open your phone right now and search for the capital of Switzerland. Google will confidently tell you it is Bern. But if you actually read the Swiss constitution, you will find something bizarre. The word capital is never mentioned. Not even once. Technically, Switzerland has no capital city. So why does everyone think it does? And how do you run a modern country with no official center of power? To understand this, we have to look at how Switzerland was put together. Back in 1848, the country was trying to unite different regions. These places spoke different languages, had different religions, and did not trust each other. Imagine a group of stubborn roommates trying to choose where to order dinner. If one roommate always gets to pick, the others will eventually pack their bags and leave. Switzerland had the exact same issue. The big, wealthy cities like Zurich and Geneva wanted to be the boss, but the smaller mountain regions were terrified of being ignored. So the Swiss did what they do best. They made a compromise. They chose Bern to host the parliament, but they refused to call it the capital. Instead, they gave it the title of federal city. It sounds like a tiny language trick, but it changed how the whole country works in real life. To keep the balance of power, they decided to physically spread the government across different cities. Think of your daily life. If you live in France or the UK, almost every major decision, court, and high-paying government job is packed into Paris or London. If you want to make it big, you have to move there. In Switzerland, it is completely different. If you want to visit the politicians, you take a Swiss train to Bern. But if you have a massive legal fight and need to go to the Supreme Court, you do not go to Bern. Your lawyer will take you to Lausanne, over an hour away. If you need to deal with Swiss Social Security, that office is in Lucerne. If you deal with federal criminal cases, you go to Bellinzona, in the Italian-speaking region. This means no single city can dominate Swiss life. By spreading the offices along the train lines, every region gets a piece of the pie. It keeps the country stable because no one feels left out. Would you prefer your country's government to be spread out like Switzerland's? Or is it better to have everything in one capital city?